After a long time, the Philippines once again bore the brunt and wrath of the El Nino weather menace. Crops and farmlands dried up. Farmer and fishermen's livelihood were severely affected.
Malaki ang kawalan namin sapagkat wala kaming na-harvest. Yung iba may na-harvest man pero kunting-kunti lang talaga. Nagdulot ito ng kakulangan ng aming pangangailangan araw-araw sapagkat yun ang unang-una pinagkukunan namin ng source of income.
This challenge was not ignored by the government. To assist those affected by El Nino, the Presidential Assistance to Farmers, Fisherfolk and Families or PAF program was launched in May. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. personally led the distribution of aid to farmers and fishermen severely affected by the calamity. From Mindanao, in Visayas and Luzon, the government scoured to provide assistance.
Kita niyo naman po, halos buong puwersa ng pamahalaan ang humaharap sa inyo ngayon dito. Para sa akin kasi, hindi sapat na mabasa ko lang ang mga ulat na mga suliranin ng inyong mga hinaharap.
Under the program, different forms of assistance were extended to farmers and fishermen, including financial assistance, farm machinery and equipment, and other support from various government agencies, such as livelihood assistance, trainings, and more.
Lahat ng rehiyon ay aking dadalawin. Buong bansa ang tatamasa ng mga programa na ating ipinagkakaloob. Hindi ang lokal na pamahalaan ang dudulog sa Malacanang. Ang Malacanang ang pupunta sa mamamayan.
As of July 12, a total of 1.8 billion pesos worth of assistance has been distributed under the PAF program. And as of July 8, more than 150,000 farmers and fishermen have been helped. They comprise a large part of the 183,455 individuals identified by Task Force El Nino as severely affected by El Nino.
Kaya po may anak po na nag-aaral, pangdagdag po sa allowance nila. Kasi po ay dalawa po yung college ko sa ngayon.
Ito po ay magiging puhunan namin ulit sa mga bagong binhi ng kape at saka yung pong patrabaho po namin sa amin po mga kasamahan.
Just this week, the President went to Palawan, Apayao, Romblon, and Pangasinan to follow up on his PAF program. This proves the government's support to people who are in need is on track and has never wavered.
Makakaasa po kayo na patuloy po namin kayong aalalayan. Sama-sama tayong maglakbay tungo sa isang mas masaganang bukas, ang bukas ng bagong Pilipinas.
Kenneth Pasyente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.